To start making your own picker, we can make use of the picker's object. We create the picker's object with pickers.new function with at least one table. To feed input to the picker, we need another object from telescope called finders. We pass the field finder with finders.new table with simple string values. We also need to specify the sorter so that when we type something, it can filter the result. There are a couple of sorters provided. Some sorter requires a table for its configuration. You can just pass in an empty table for that case. To actually run the picker, we have the called find function on the picker object. Make sure it is a colon this time and not a period.